taking it.
That's just Kurtie getting ready for her rematch with the werewolf called Ray Ray.
That doesn't sound like a werewolf.
Shut up, it does.
Put this. Oh jeez. Okay, ready guys?
Hold the lamp! Hold the lamp!
In the back. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, go.
4, 5, 7.
She's counting too much stuff!
10. Yeah. Hold the lamp. Go hold the lamp.
Go, Kurtie!
Up more.
Vampires can't be beaten by werewolves.
Really?
Go! Yeah!
Do that with the flashlight.
I know, I'm Asian.
No distractions.
Oh, sorry.
She just apologized to the werewolf! You can't do that, Kurt!
Why?
Apologize?
No!
You can't apologize to your